Alright, Rise and Grind Man, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. This is a continuation. Previous service, CV axles I just did. Now, we're going to knock out the AC condenser. What we got to do is take off the front bumper to reach that condenser and remove it. I'm going to show you how. Let's get it. So I did leave it up in the air, because you do got to get to the bottom to take out. It's not many bolts really up top. While we up here, we're gonna take out, it's supposed to be a clip here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Looks like a 10 here and a 10 here. All right, we got that out. What I noticed, I don't know what's going on here, but we got these holding them up again. Interesting. I wonder if I can take out this screw right here and possibly all of that just come. No, it's not gonna work because it's attached up here. Alright, I got them out. Definitely not a fan. That shit is like, I don't like that. But we can get it off once we get those 10 mils out the fender well. Alright, get up in there. And that's where it is. I already done took it out. It goes there, 10 mil. Put that out. Driver's side. There it is. Alright, we got the bumper off. Let's see what else we got. These things should be able to, should be able to slide up and out. It's not screwed in. That's on both sides, top and bottom. So what we gotta do is undo that connector. Going back here, gotta loosen that up. Undo that. As you can see, let me point out now, right here at the bottom of the bumper, it's going to be some screws holding the plastic portion of it on both sides, so you want to do that. And these are screws that came out. Got them out, got them out. It's a 10 mil holding that down. And it's a 10 mil holding that in. That's the bolts right there. Got to take that sensor off and put it on this. Alright, you want to go ahead and remove this shield here. And then this here will come straight through. Like that. Got a brand new one, new gaskets. Get that ready. We in there. Gotta put that plug in there. And then we're gonna top it off with Freon. Alright. Looking good. It is cold. Got it cold. Feeling good. And that condensation should be dripping on the ground shortly. Let it run. So I want to go ahead and charge it up before I put it back together. Make sure it wasn't nothing leaking. So we good. Alright, man, that's gonna be it. Got water. I mean, it's cold. Yes, sir. Alright, man. Until next video, the Pull Up King.